Yesterday we did a prediction on gold, and I told you guys clearly that gold will give us a bearish move for the day. Gold will open and close bearish for the day. And as you can see, market did exactly what we predicted it to do. Markets did give us that bearish move. Now you can see that our analysis on gold is absolutely correct. So you can see that we are very much right on our gold. So this is to tell you, to those of you that are yet to subscribe to the channel, be it you are new and you've not yet subscribed, make sure you click on the subscribe button. Make sure you like and share. Make your comments, follow the Telegram channel also, so that once we drop 1 or 2 updates, you will not miss out on any single updates. You will find the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. So yesterday, we predicted that market will give us a bearish move for the day. Market did give us the bearish move for the 27th. Now for the 28th, we will also be expecting similar movements. Basically, we will be expecting market to also give us a bearish move. That is for the 28th. We should expect market to also give us a bearish move for the day. So if you are not yet in this sell, make sure you're going for the sell. Now, to those of you that are already in the sell, you can still hold your sell a bit before market will eventually push up. Have it in mind that the ultimate movement, our ultimate movement on gold is still to the upside. This is still our ultimate movement. But right now, market is giving us a minor movement, which is a downtrend move, which is currently dropping. So now this is the movement when you go down to your 4-hour time frame. But before we go ahead to predict what market will be doing for the day, to those of you that are yet to subscribe to the channel, be it you are new and you've not yet subscribed, make sure you click on the subscribe button, like and share, make your comments, and also make sure you follow the Telegram channel so you will not miss out on any single updates. You will find the link to the Telegram in the comment section. So now this is just our minor movements right here. So this is our lower low. This is the lower high. Here is the lower low. This is the lower high, right? Now this is an equal low right here. So with this equal low, we should expect market to give us so much draw to fully take out this low, thereby forming a new lower low. After it does that, then we can now start expecting market to push up, that will push up to form the high. But guys, let us see one more drop to play out to take out this low, thereby giving us a new lower low before we can start anticipating for the buy. More updates on this will be covered for you guys, so make sure you subscribe to the channel in order for you not to miss out on the updates.